I'm Leon. This is Exotics Tropico with an X, and today I'm going to show you how to prune a rose. All the time I'm doing a landscape and I see all the roses have been incorrectly pruned. It's easy to prune them. You want to open up the plant, admit light, prune out the weak branches, and force the growth to grow outwards instead of inwards. I'll show you an example. Here we'll take a stem. I like to go down to much thicker growth. And here's a growth bud. If I cut it here, it'll grow into the plant, which is wrong. I want to find the buds that go outwards. I'm going to pop it down here so the growth will come out in that direction, away from the center of the plant, thus reducing fungal diseases and making for much stronger flowers. We'll take another one. If I pruned it here, it would go inwards, which is the wrong place. So I want to go down and find a place where it's going to come out. Here, it'll grow outwards, so I'm going to prune it there. And this will make the rose branch grow away from the center of the plant. We usually do it at a slight angle so water doesn't settle in the top of the stem, so water drains off. You will want to continue this systematically throughout the bush, reducing the branches, opening up the plant. I'm Leon, and that's how you prune a rose.